Hey Artland, how's it going today? Now, I'm going to do something a little bit different today, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to do a little bit of a crossover. And I kind of created a new character from two things that are really popular right now. The first thing that everyone knows and everyone is playing is Fortnite. It's all over the place, everyone loves the game. And the second thing that I'm combined with it is Godzilla. You know, everyone is really excited about the new Godzilla vs. Kong movie coming out. So I thought it would be fun to kind of combine some of the Fortnite characters with some of the Godzilla characters. So in this video, I created my very own Rodan Fortnite character. It would be awesome if he was actually in the game, something that, you know, what he might look like if he was an actual character in there. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let me know what you guys think. Now, to get started, I'm going to be using some of my Bristol board paper, and this is definitely a little bit more of a harder paper and really works well for drawing and inking and coloring on here. Now, I thought Rodan would be a cool character to start with in the Fortnite universe. So I'm just kind of laying out the sketch, you know, kind of putting everything in there, and I had to start off with a pose. Now, I kind of wanted to give Rodan kind of like a happy, you know, like go-lucky, carefree kind of pose, and almost make him look a little bit kind of cocky, like, you know, he thinks he's all that. So I kind of did the traditional Fortnite pose, hand on the hips, you know, give him the thumbs up. And I kind of wanted to give him a little bit of like a kind of millennial, kind of hipster look to him. So I went with, you know, kind of like a hoodie on there, gave him a hat and things like that, just to kind of give him more of like a trendy new style. Now, when I was inking this up, I wanted to add lots of little details, but I couldn't make it too wrinkly. I wanted to keep the clothes kind of like a little bit tighter and everything. And I still wanted him to have that kind of Fortnite appearance, so that's why I kind of added those little shin guards and everything on there, and the boots too, just to kind of give him a little bit more of kind of like that soldier look. Now, when drawing a character like this, I like to come in there and kind of add bold lines. So I kind of went over the whole thing with just like a darker marker, just to kind of make it kind of pop out and be a little bit bolder and kind of stick out just a little bit more. And you can do this just with like a normal Sharpie or kind of whatever kind of pen you want, just to kind of make it stand out. Then I like to come in and kind of add some different details, just a little bit of line work. That's one of my favorite things to do. And the line work just kind of helps add like some different shading and things in there, some different textures, and just makes your drawing look really neat overall. And I really like the way that I had this as well, because I really like the way this turned out. Now, when it came to the coloring part, I wanted to make him look not so much like the movie, and I wanted him to have a little bit more of like a comic book feel. So I went with a lot of like warm colors. I used lots of reds, lots of oranges, and some different yellows in there, just to kind of bring out that kind of fire look to him. You know, Rodan was always kind of sleeping in that volcano from the movie, and I wanted to kind of bring that into the drawing. So I used a lot of really warm colors in there, kind of blended them in with some darker reds, just to kind of give them a little bits of shadow and different kind of shading in there. Now, when it comes to his clothes, I went with kind of like a light purple color, something that would really stand out. And I actually used too dark of a marker, so I had to use a couple different shades of purple on there. And I really wanted his clothes to kind of stand out, you know, kind of give him that look of, you know, he's really standing out, he wants to show off that he's there. In the movie, if you remember, Rodan was always coming in at the worst times. He was always picking fights with Ghidorah, you know, Mothra's trying to save Godzilla, here comes Rodan messing it up. So I kind of wanted to give him that, you know, just kind of hipster look, like, you know, I can do what I want, I can come in here, I think I'm all that. And I think it turned out pretty good. I went in with like a nice orange highlight to kind of give him that glowing effect. And this is our Rodan Fortnite character. So I hope you guys enjoyed our Rodan Fortnite crossover. I think he turned out pretty good overall. We definitely got some, cool colors in here. I think he's really bright. He stands out. He's got a cool look, and I think he definitely would fit in well into the Fortnite universe. Now, I've got some more ideas for some different drawings. I want to do a Ghidorah one, a Godzilla one, and I thought it'd be cool to include Kong, Skullcrawlers, all those different characters. So let me know what you guys think of this. I can always do this as a normal how to draw video, but I would definitely love to hear your opinions. If you guys have requests, let me know. And I hope you guys enjoyed this. Thanks for watching.